Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can find SKU on Walmart, on any item on Walmart. Okay, so by the way, you can do the exact same you can do the exact same steps on your phone. Now let's get started right now. You just need to search here for Walmart. Click on Walmart. Just open your browser on your phone if you are on the phone right now. Now after that, you want to search for any product here, or I'm just going to click here on a random item here. Just click on this camera, for example. Now when you click on the item, you will be able to see the SKU number here in the top. As you can see, this is the SKU code here. Right click and copy it. That's it. Okay, so as you can see, this is it. As you can see, make sure you highlight the whole numbers. So that's exactly your SKU. Okay, so yeah, you can do the same thing with other items. Let me just click on another item here. Let's click on this. As you can see, this one again, just this is it again. This is the SKU number here, as you can see. Okay, that's exactly your SKU number. Okay, hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If it does, please drop a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.